Hi, I'm Carolyn Sakarik, and I lead KHM Travel Group's team of marketing professionals. We know that marketing is important to every travel agent's business because one of the most frequently asked questions we hear is, how am I going to find clients? When you get started, it's daunting to think you have to become a marketing expert in addition to learning everything about travel and running a business. Marketing includes everything from your logo and business cards to emails and social media. One of the perks of partnering with KHM Travel Group is that we have an in-house team of marketing professionals, including writers, designers, and videographers. Our team puts together almost everything you've seen from KHM Travel Group, including printed guides, social media posts, emails, and yes, this video. So what does this mean for you? It means that you have access to an entire group of people who think creatively, with small business owners in mind. We have a dedicated marketing section in My Travel Agent portal, which contains resources you can use in your client communications, like brochures and templates. We've also added social media marketing guides to provide you with inspiration and guidance to be successful on Facebook, Instagram, or whatever channels you're on. Speaking of social media, one of the sections our agents love in the portal is our supplier marketing resources. We have pages dedicated to helping agents promote popular travel brands like Carnival, Royal Caribbean, and FunJet Vacations. Each supplier's page contains email templates, shareable graphics, and even pre-written posts for social media that you can just grab and use to promote your business. One of our favorite resources we offer travel agents is the Compass magazine, which we create and publish in the spring and fall. All agents are automatically subscribed, so twice a year you can get even more travel agent insights and tips delivered straight to your mailbox. Our 2 weekly emails, Agent Access Weekly and KHM Travel Insider, pull together everything our agents need to stay up to date on the opportunities available to them. Agent Access Weekly features all the current promotions and incentives from our preferred suppliers to make it easy for you to keep track of the travel offers that matter to your clients. The Insider email focuses on KHM Travel Group updates, events, and tips from our team. When agents need one-on-one help with marketing, we also offer coaching sessions. Whether it's building a memorable brand or getting more engagement on Facebook or setting up an email template, coaching sessions allow agents to develop the marketing strategies that will work for them. With all of this at your fingertips, you don't need to know everything about marketing in order to be successful as a travel agent. If you have a passion for travel, sharing that with others is usually the best place to start. And our team and resources are here to help you make it happen every step of the way. If you have questions about what we offer travel agents in terms of marketing, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We look forward to helping you build your business.